Hello friends, let's talk about a culinary journey that'll transform your kitchen into a delightful Italian paradise. We're talking about growing your own spice garden and not those sad, wilted sprigs you find at the supermarket. Today we're diving headfirst into the world of 20 essential Italian herbs. We'll uncover their unique flavors, their bloody brilliant benefits, and how you can grow them like a pro. Get ready to elevate your cooking and impress the hell out of your dinner guests. Let's get started. Basil, beautiful taste. This herb is the heart and soul of Italian cooking. It's fresh, it's fragrant, and it's bloody versatile. Use it fresh in your pasta sauces, sprinkle it over pizzas, or even muddle it into your cocktails for a refreshing kick. And listen up, this ain't just some pretty face. Basil is packed with antioxidants and has anti-inflammatory properties. It's like a culinary miracle worker. Oregano, you pungent little devil. This herb packs a serious punch of flavor. It's earthy, it's robust, and it's a staple in any self-respecting Italian kitchen. Sprinkle it over your pizzas, stir it into your tomato sauces, or use it to marinate your meats. It's the backbone of Italian flavor. And hold on to your hats, because oregano is a bloody superhero when it comes to your health. It's loaded with antioxidants and can give your immune system a much-needed kick in the arse. Rosemary, you fragrant bugger. This herb has been revered for centuries for its unique flavor and its ability to sharpen the mind. Its piney aroma is unmistakable and adds a depth of flavor to roasted meats, vegetables, and even desserts. And get this, rosemary is said to improve memory and concentration. So if you're feeling a bit forgetful, ditch the ginkgo biloba and get yourself some rosemary. Thyme. The respiratory relief. Thyme, you tiny but mighty warrior. This herb might be small, but it's bursting with flavor and medicinal properties. Its earthy, slightly minty flavor is a perfect complement to roasted vegetables, soups, and stews. And here's a little secret. Thyme is a natural decongestant. That's right, it can help clear up those stuffy noses and ease your breathing. So ditch the over-the-counter meds and reach for the thyme. Sage. The digestive superstar. Sage, you wise old sage. This herb has a long history of culinary and medicinal use, and for good reason. Its slightly peppery, earthy flavor adds depth and complexity to roasted meats, pasta dishes, and even desserts. But here's the kicker. Sage is a digestive aid. It can help soothe an upset stomach and reduce bloating. So if you've overindulged, reach for the sage. Parsley. More than just a garnish. Parsley, you vibrant little sprig, don't you dare relegate this herb to the side of the plate. Parsley is packed with flavor and good for you. Its fresh, slightly peppery flavor brightens up any dish, from pasta sauces to salads to soups. And hold your breath, because parsley is a nutritional powerhouse. It's loaded with vitamins A, C, and K, and it can even help freshen your breath. Marjoram, the headache reliever. Marjoram, you sweet and citrusy friend. This herb is often overlooked, but it deserves a place in your culinary arsenal. Its delicate flavor is perfect for adding a touch of sweetness to meat dishes, soups, and even desserts. And listen up, because marjoram has a secret weapon. It can help relieve headaches. That's right, ditch the aspirin and reach for the marjoram. Bay leaf, the flavor enhancer. Bay leaf, you aromatic beast. This herb may not look like much, but it packs a powerful punch of flavor. Simmer it in soups, stews, and sauces to add depth and complexity. Just remember to fish it out before serving. But wait, there's more. Bay leaf is also said to aid digestion and relieve respiratory problems. It's a culinary and medicinal powerhouse. Fennel, the inflammation fighter. Fennel, you licorice-loving rebel. This herb is known for its distinctive anise-like flavor that adds a unique twist to any dish. Use it to flavor sausages, roast it with vegetables, or even shave it raw into salads. And here's the kicker. Fennel is a natural anti-inflammatory. That's right, it can help reduce inflammation throughout the body. Chives, you delicate little beauties. These slender herbs pack a punch of flavor and are an excellent source of vitamins A and C. Sprinkle them over soups, salads, or eggs for a burst of fresh onion flavor. And here's a bonus. Chives are said to have antibacterial and antifungal properties. They're like the tiny ninjas of the herb world. Tarragon, you licorice-scented seductress. This herb has a unique, slightly sweet and anise-like flavor that adds complexity to chicken, fish and egg dishes. It's also the star ingredient in béarnaise sauce, a classic French sauce that will elevate your cooking to new heights. And listen up, insomniacs, tarragon is known for its calming properties and can help promote sleep. Mint, you invigorating wonder. This herb is a culinary chameleon, adding its refreshing flavor to both sweet and savory dishes. Muddle it into cocktails, sprinkle it over salads, or use it to flavor desserts. And here's a breath of fresh air. Mint can aid digestion and freshen breath. It's a win-win. Dill, you tangy and feathery friend. This herb is often associated with pickles, but don't underestimate its versatility. Its bright, slightly citrusy flavor is a welcome addition to fish dishes, salads, and even soups. And for those of you who toss and turn all night, listen up. Dill is believed to have calming properties that can help promote sleep. 14. Coriander, you citrusy and aromatic spice. Both the leaves, known as cilantro, and seeds of this plant are used in cooking, adding a unique flavor to curries, stews, and salsas. Its bright citrusy flavor can lift any dish and add a touch of exotic flair. And here's a healthy bonus. Coriander is believed to help regulate blood sugar levels. It's a culinary and health all-star. 15. Lovage, you celery-scented giant. This herb may not be as well known as some of its counterparts, but it deserves a place in your garden. Its strong, celery-like flavor adds depth to soups, stews, and even salads. And hold on to your hats, because lovage is believed to have diuretic properties and can help relieve digestive issues. It's a culinary and medicinal powerhouse. Savory, the sore throat soother. Savory, you peppery and powerful herb. This herb is a staple in Mediterranean cuisine, adding its distinct flavor to bean dishes, stews, and even stuffings. Its peppery flavor adds a kick to any dish and is often used in combination with other herbs like thyme and rosemary. And here's a little secret: savory is believed to have antiseptic properties and can help soothe a sore throat. Lemon balm, you lemony and calming friend. This herb is a member of the mint family and has a delightful citrusy aroma. Use it to flavor teas, desserts, or even salads. Its refreshing flavor is sure to brighten your day. And for those of you feeling stressed, listen up. Lemon balm is known for its calming properties and can help reduce anxiety. It's like a warm hug in a cup. Garlic, the immune system warrior. Garlic, you pungent and powerful ally. This bulb may be small, but it's packed with flavor and health benefits. Add it to sauces, soups, stews, or roasts for a flavor that will knock your socks off. And listen up, germaphobes. Garlic is a natural antibiotic and can help boost your immune system. Celery, the inflammation tamer. Celery, you crunchy and refreshing staple. This vegetable is often overlooked, but it's a nutritional powerhouse. Chop it into salads, stir-fries, or soups, or enjoy it as a healthy snack. And here's a secret weapon. Celery is a natural anti-inflammatory and can help reduce inflammation throughout the body. Arugula, the peppery powerhouse. Arugula, you peppery and vibrant green. This leafy green is a staple in salads and a delicious addition to pizzas, pastas, and sandwiches. Its peppery flavor adds a kick to any dish and is a great source of vitamins A, C, and K. So there you have it, you lot. A crash course in 20 Italian herbs and their bloody brilliant benefits. Now go forth and grow your own culinary paradise. Now go forth and conquer the culinary world. There you have it, you bunch of culinary hopefuls. We've tackled 20 incredible Italian herbs. Now you've got the knowledge, get out there and start growing. Remember, fresh herbs are the key to unlocking incredible flavor in your cooking. And with a little love and attention, you can transform your kitchen into a thriving Italian herb garden. Stay healthy, my friends.